I did not know at all. You can put me on a lie detector test. I didn't know. Secondly, when I was invited, I was told that I'll be shooting the episode. So I assumed I'm shooting with the person who owns the channel. When I arrived, the person who owns the channel comes through, greets me, hugs me, and says, "You're not shooting with me today. You're shooting with a surprise guest." I was like, "Oh, okay, cool, fun." I sat down and I was made to sit with my back facing the entrance so I don't see the person walking in. The person walks in, sits down, it's their brother. At this time, please remember, I still didn't know this person was homophobic. I shot the episode, everything was done, the episode aired. Right? When the episode aired and you guys began calling me out was the only time I knew of his homophobia and the homophobic comments that he had made in the past. I don't know if those episodes or those comments are still ongoing because, like I said, I didn't know that person was homophobic because I don't consume their content. I didn't know anything about it. But I couldn't research them as I normally do because I didn't even know I was shooting with them. So what I normally do when I'm invited somewhere is I go and try and find out as much as I can about the person that's interviewing me. In this instance, I couldn't do that because I didn't know. Now, those all sound like excuses. I know, but it is the truth. I am sorry and I am forever regretful for participating in something without the full knowledge. And that was my mistake. I own up to it. I'm really sorry for anyone that it hurt. It's not that I'm being hypocritical. I just acted without the relevant knowledge. And it doesn't matter what I say. I should have still done better. I am really sorry for that. And I promise I will do better moving forward. I just don't want to be quiet and make it seem like I knew what was going on. I didn't. And yes, I saw what happened yesterday and today, and I'm as angry as you are. Unfortunately, I can't speak out on it due to the fact that there's legal proceedings that I'm involved in. But when those legal proceedings are over, I'll come back and I'll talk about it. For now, I hope you take my apology and accept it. And if you don't, it's also okay. But I hope you stay tuned and watch me amend things and never make the same mistake again.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkhosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Dominic is dragging Ulungile. It's Lasizwe's big brother, and he's calling Ulungile homophobic. So uDominic uke waya laphana ku-awkward date analungile, and it was really a nice show ke sana ngayibukela nami and ngayi-enjoy kakhulu that episode. But again, uze nenye uDominic has now saying ukuthi uyatiswela ukuthi bekayiwentani laphayana ahlale nemuntu futhi le homophobic. He's saying ukuthi ulungile has very homophobic, and people are saying ukuthi hayi kahle Dominic, go kahle uhaba njena ufuna ukuzenza into dangerous wena. Ulungile usuka tidlalela and siyazi ukuthi uyakusho lokho ngisho nakulasizwe, so nje wena yekela kumdraga, like stop dragging him, because we know ukuthi abantu abaningi bayamthanda guys kulungile, because people think ukuthi ulungile has fun, uyahlekisana nje, uyahlekisa. So people are saying ukuthi uzama njena akumoshela ligama uDominic, ayikho into la ikhuluma kulungile, uhleza tidlalela, he's just a fun person and akekho homophobic in any way. Homophobic naye njena qha dindo njana letingahlangani. So bathi nje bantu nje uDominic uyamsukela, ayikho nje lento la ikhuluma ko. Some said ukuthi uDominic ukhuluma iqiniso, Lungile is homophobic, but the reason why people bangakuboni lokho kukuthi une brother le gay and uyawenda lama jokes lawo evine phambi kwakhe ulasizwe, so bavele abahleke ngakho kube joke, but vele usuka emina lento uthi Thembele Dlamini Dominic uyamsukela ulungile, yazi uyamsukela unje lento loyikhuluma kuqha ayikho. Mina nami sham guys, like honestly speaking, I don't know mhlambe ukuthi vele I really love ulungile, angimbona homophobic nkosi yami, angimboni nje homophobic ulungile. Mina ngidibonela umuntu othanda ukudlalela lona ama jokes, who's just fun nje. Kuthi homophobic cha, mina lokho ngikuva ngaDominic. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.